Mama kwa baba Xposed GH. Your program ayaka health talk. Ye kan ya pomu dimu asem ye cheche yare a ebobon Ghana for nansen ya eya yehu. Na ye wo professional no so cheche yare and even how to prevent it. Na yare baba kan ho asem no a bit frightening nowadays. First na ka won tisa yare. Benaba kidney. Na say kwase dialysis no for a parliament in cho say omwa no munye ni free because for ewu kidney ano no ehu. Then pese ye delve into what is kidney kasa ye wu kidney ni ebema kidney kura ho atochim eni niam ye be ya be prevent. As usual ye doctor bakope Dr. Hatsu Neuwell Dr. Akwaba
dasi.
Bibia woko de
Adom.
Essential. Amafo so omo enjoy program pa
na. Me damwase.
Omo dawase. Me good messages. Almost most of it very insightful.
Good.
The way we try to say ye adwuma pa.
Ye adwuma pa.
Papa cho bibia woko de.
Ya me adom ho ye.
Weekend let say.
Nye bad.
Family.
Bibia boko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Doctor, Nancy ya titini ma bi kidney. Obi kwa me bisa say e word chronic kidney. Na dey enso ne kidney.
Yo, me da say Accra. Ye ka kidney a.
Yeah.
Le chindidi ya sa.
Yes, sabo. Yeah.
Yeah. Obi.
Oh, okay.
Kidney obia wo mienu. Obia dey tutu.
Okay.
Na kidney no is located below our back.
Ye
chi no asie ho no.
Ho na kidney ne wo.
I say kidney no ye ribs no. Kwa baby a ribs no
na ha no.
Edu a wachi sei no. Ohonum no. Na sie pe kidney no ewo ho.
Oh.
Ebi wo back wo left na back so wo right.
I see.
Na aye no ti say beans akese ni bi bambara beans
na ye di no.
Ana say semeka ayi so aye ti say tangerine fan say aye ti say tangerine.
Okay.
Okay. Nti aye say tangerine na back bo ha na back bo ho. Awo wechi. Yes, awo wechi. Sana kidney no.
Eti location here
wechi. Anatomical location no.
Ene doctor. Sisi yare bia sisi yare.
Enye sisi yare bia na sisi yare. Ebi no say kidney ni hu touch ma, you feel those pains there. And the pain no radiate to usisimu. Some of the pains. Ebe ewo wechi na ebe ba usisimu. Enti ube fi say usisi na ya.
Anenyo usisi.
Enye usisi.
Wow, yen kwaso. Pacho, ye ka kidney a. Edi enjumadi pa na kidney di wo ye abrabo.
Me da say. But no, me can say before na ye be call functions no person come asam no. Me person ye be describe kidney no.
Yeah, you describe
any ni parts bi no ni ejuma parts no ejuma parts no bi di no.
Okay.
Say ne be ye
be light more.
Exactly. Ufa kidney na ye wo I used to say kutuo round bisa and I say kutuo I say kutuo no uyi na say upai kutuo no na uyi baako pe omu a anya de esinse ya twa no uyi baako pe omu sa
baako uyi we say yesusu anu yi kutuo ho ni yi ni baako
yesa pepe
the way a shape ne
tie no na tangerine uyi tangerine na say shape ne tie no sa pepe na kidney ne tie na I to say beans bisa enti esro no ewo ho ana asie no so ewo ho
okay
na esro no ade bi etale ho aye no ti say ade fitaa bi enu no eka enye enu nya kidney nakasa but no eka kidney no ho yes enu ye frano adrenal gland yes okay. Na sa adrenal gland yi enu so adwuma potia edima ema honamdua no
okay
ana se kidney no enu no na adwuma dia ne say produce hormones produce hormones hormones na produce no kidney also benefits from those hormones
okay
hormone bit say adrenaline
adrenaline
adrenal gland in the produce na adrenaline no na adwuma potia aye ne say reduce stress.
Okay.
We go through some stress.
Okay.
The adrenaline no release hormones na stress no about form.
Okay.
Sana aye na adwuma. Na ye wo aldosterone. Aldosterone no na androgen and estrogen.
Okay.
These hormones no in also no, they are sex hormones. Sex hormones.
A boy sexual life.
Yeah, you find it, but mostly no a boy for our emotional feelings.
Okay. Say
yeah, emotional feelings. And they are our sex hormones.
Ni na free kidney
ni na free adrenal gland
na say bosso
no. And two fa kidney na e wosoro sa as a fitaa bi e wosoro na so pa kidney na kasa na kidney na kasa no ye wo veins bi no mu a etuatom na say ntin bi no mu a ewo ho na ntin ba ko a ewo ho a edi dwuma ho boapa no ye frɛ no renal arteries.
Renal arteries.
Yeah, renal artery. Say bakwa artery. And renal artery. Say renal artery. Juma edin say. Moja na yan sone sono. The back kidney no.
Moja na wo ye mu no.
Yeah, unfiltered blood. No efi akoma no ho a na a back kidney no.
Oh, okay.
Ne juma odipa no. Na yewo ba ko bi so a ye fe no renal vein.
Renal vein.
Yes. Renal vein no so no se kidney no aye na dwuma wie na se kidney no asone moja no so wie a sa moja na kidney na asone so no efa renal vein no epie
send go back to the body system
no to the organs no
so I say sieve
until the kidney no ye bedu ni functions na adwuma mo beti adwuma na kidney ni ye pa eso
okay
kidney ni de service say sieve bi enti sieve sanyama no so
ni amaboni e wo yimu na yifi mojanim
exactly
okay
enti vein no ba ko eba inside the mojani ba inside na ba ko so the mojani every inside
yi mojana asone so
we
back to the
yes
okay iti asieba
akwedi say pure water ya pure water machine o wa machine no bi pipe ni bi edi nso na ye nso no edi ba machine no na machine no filter nso no wie na yi efinifu mu wie a na san fa pipe fufuru aba na menu ya eden
yenya
I enjoy sana etie ana ye san wo ureter yeah ureter na ureter no na djuma edi ni say se kidney no ye jonso a awie a sa jonso no fa ureter no ebegu ye bladder no
pacho ye hodi on blood no enu amu na jonso ni fi ana say de
dabi enye blood no mu na jonso no free but no on say blood ni back kidney no mu a kidney ni sone aso a chaffs na aka unwanted materials na aka no form urine no na afa Johnson no mo urine no mo na abegu ye bladder no mo
okay
those unwanted nyamayama na kidney no aye no if say free kidney no mo ekwan be free so be free kidney no mo no
na urethra
through the ureter yes and the Johnson no me know Johnson no is full of unwanted materials. Yeah.
Dr. Mamis say yes no na yes e bi mo no mo Johnson yes e no so medicinal na de enye de na wo san gu mu
enkre Johnson de ankanya de ase obia no
na no mo say medicinal
ni na menti ase
that's just by the way
ebia ye nuanu mamu the other side because ye nuanu mamu the other side na oti
but these are people who are braining knowledgeable
okay but okay a bit me about no say ebia obia test na it's not proven it's not proven and na you know more the other side heba for no so him say they say a lot of things
okay but yes
and se ufa kidney no so no ufa no wie te na u pai mu a ana se u dissect na
yeah
ye wo you can say
inside
inside no you wo ade bi ho no ma ye fro no nephrons yeah okay nephrons na sa nephrons no ye san wo ade bi so wo nephron no mu a ye fro no glomerulus
hey and the mission
yes and they obesua de kakra yes enti ye fan say ya fa nephrons no nephrons no min kire asese na obi mu beti ase on say ufa akutu ya mekan tangerine
yeah
na uyi hu wie na say uyi tangerine no baako pe
yeah
on say u bomodian nya botre ayi tangerine no hu baako pe na wayi no uyi hu awia say ayi bia cover no hu uyi side no cover hu a say ade bi o tangerine no kete containing insuo no sa pepepe na nephron no tie
okay ntie kete insuo na wo okay
enti insuo na wo mu na Johnson na wo beba out no I say na Nyankopon boki is say Nyankopon
yeah that's
yes,
very nice
enti ye be fan say Nyankopon hwe kidney ni so ana odi ball tangerine
no
enti
sa wo de wo pese wo kidney mu yi a koto tangerine
yes
na yi ba ko pe na yi ho no mo da de kete sa na kidney
no etie enti no those nkete na wo mu no na e friend no nephrons no
okay
they make up urine amojuma mo ye no
some may excrete bad way
yes and then the glomerulus na wo your friend say nephron no mo no enu su na bua CV Johnson no nti CV Johnson no na asan ayi Johnson no also awo ntin bi on ho a ebeyi sa Johnson no abegu ureter no na ureter na connect no abegu bladder no na ba out sana etie
wow
yeah sana etie
doc you call the functions of the kidney
yeah functions no the I say in Nigeria aso ye 19
and am I ready
very important
obi afa paper ne pen ne enchro
bibia of function but kidney functions so they are very important pa
okay
ye ka functions a just say djuma kidney ni di
yeah that's it
na ye be fa baako first one I pese ka wan asem ne say kidney no it's in terms of excretion yeah it excretes waste product from the body. Now you can waste product be example you find say urea urea amino acids ammonia creatinine creatinine phosphates drugs
enroni anom kidney ni ko
ayi I say uba doctor ho na me tro adroma wa adrona ma trauma no adrono quantity na body ni hia no
na de mame
ana me de ma but no body na aka san betumi adjust no say quantity na me de ma no e do so ma me dodo enti no be fa dia opeso oyusu dia aka no wi a obe save bi o liver no mo na dia aka no wa yi ato agu
o save bi o de ye de
obe save agu ato liver no mo se na be ya o san hia da chi a wa san ko wa yi ama
oh na just say your body na very intelligent
yes body is very intelligent pa enti no kidney no ehwe say na the body na dia too high there e wo hanom a e be say body no na me kotam na me ye na yi na me tungu na wo yi agu enti e be fa wo Johnson ma pie some come on your skin as a sweat enti sanity excretion one of the function no and then another function I can say blood iron regulations.
Iron
regulate your blood iron. If I say blood iron, it say sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride. You know your blood iron, sir. Minerals, maybe no.
And yes, it's not your body.
No, some of them are not supposed to be in our body.
Really?
Yeah. It's say quantity no. Body na you suwe and no dia can chaps no. Say you feel inside na wo hono be say body no it's just like say mo ofie na mo serve duane aduane number 7 no obi ami ofie aduane bi aka aduane bi aka no wo de akoto baabi say bi akomedi wa wakofa enti liver no be save bi o baabi say na be ya say akomedi wa na liver na release but ebisa ka biom a ye fa anya hwe ofie o ene sa dia ye nya obi adi be ma no abonti de ye tungu enti honum na kidney be kofa na we kotu agu amo kama enti enu no ana ewo blood pH regulation. pH. And say, but the body is supposed to be, it shouldn't be more acidic. Acidity and then the basic nature of the body, alkaline nature of the body, you know. The body should be more alkaline than acid.
Oh, really?
Yes. And you know, say, more acidic there, and say, imbalance, you know. And you know, kidney clear and this adjumano. Now the kidney retaining and I say occupy bicarbonate ions more than hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions are more acidic, but bicarbonate ions, you know, they are of more basic.
Okay.
And you know the pH will regulate all these, you know. And this here, so that is functions of the kidney. And I can.
Look, let me solve something quite with the kidney.
Sure.
Does it have a direct bearing on your pressure? Because nature me also excrete sodium.
Good.
And one regulate ion intake.
Yes.
pH level.
Yes.
Does it have a direct bearing on our pressure?
The kidney itself. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. By your call, you bedu ho.
Mate.
You bedu baby na yes. You bedu ho so. And kidney no so no produce the kidney itself produce hormone.
And one produce on one
not produce hormone ma ni pedua no. Ye wo hormone bi te say erythropoietin.
Wow.
Yeah. Erythropoietin no a hormone bi a it stimulates the bone marrow. Dompenu ewo ho sa okun akukọ ana ponche a
ofimu na
de na efifi I brown this ano edepa ene friend bone marrow no
eno so nipa bi wom
nipa mu bi wo nipa dompe bia bi wom enti the erythropoietin no it stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells.
Oh, okay.
And until I see, bone, the bone produces blood.
Yeah. And on confront yes, it produces blood. It's a red blood cells. If you don't pay, wow.
Yes. And the hormone, your friend erythropoietin, will come and stimulate the bone marrow to produce more of red blood cells. Yeah. So and then. You another hormone back so a friend renin. Yeah. Renin no and also control your blood pressure.
Okay. And the honor me do
exactly. Yeah. And no control your blood pressure. And you know say pressure no was so the renin will be the kidney will release more renin to come and take care of it. And take care of it. And no so
See.
Then we have the another hormone biswa kidney ni produce your friend calcitrol. Yeah, calcitrol. Calcitrol no is in the form of active vitamin D. Active vitamin D, and this active vitamin D is for calcium homeostasis.
But
you can say calcium homeostasis just say it balance the calcium in you.
Calcium ne nya wo
idompemu no. Okay. Be balance no se ne be ya enko overdose. And also the quantity will be the same. Perfect. And anu na calcitrol no so anu produce the active vitamin D no.
Ni nyina is being produced by the kidney.
Yes. By the kidney. So the kidney is very important. Yes. The same kidney here also no in terms of blood volume regulation.
Moja dudu awu mu no.
Yes.
Kidney na regulate.
Almost what I say. blood volume regulation by eliminating water.
Oh, okay.
How say that here? By eliminating water through urine production.
And your dog, okay, mama, bram kakra. And yeah, and untina obinya kidney problem, mana.
Wahun retention of urine. Retention of fluid.
Fluid ni fie mu.
Yes. Obo se nipa no na nanima honhon bi na ne sa
yeah won't ya say
yeah na ne na honhon yeah ni na ne symptoms e be ko
okay
e be hu enti in a nutshell no adwuma kidney no edi no eno no enti kidney de sabio akoya bi ti say zoom lion no onu nu beba be prapra ofie asisi ho na ma kama ayi bola no atu agu ama how nim say who keep bola or dem bebre nso a dey na be say e be ma yare enti say kidney no e faili na kidney no entumi nye sa na adwuma yi a na che say bola na ka ofie ho bola na ka ofie ho na e dey yare be ma
now dialysis when the kidney is not functioning properly.
Exactly. Enti the dialysis na ye no, that means that the dialysis is coming in to serve as the kidney.
The work of the kidney.
The work of the kidney.
Because this kidney has been working for a long time.
Exactly. So the dialysis machine or the dialysis comes in to do the work of the kidney for you.
Oh.
Banumpono, anyani inano betumi ayama. Some of these hormones, production of these hormones, the machine cannot produce these hormones for you. So, by so doing, the doctor who is attending to you will have to put you on some of these hormones, drugs,
artificial,
drugs. So, the work of the kidney will be perfect. Will be perfect.
Okay.
Yes. And the kidney, no, and
you win. Hey, easy. Pacho, yet. Asemia nansiaba. Kidney failure. What is kidney failure?
Me da say. Ba answer na make kidney failure. Me I am nije.
Yeah.
Say they say ano aban initiative
or say or presidential we na yenye free
dialysis no.
Yeah.
Though enye entirely free sir.
Okay.
Am say mama range be say nkwala binumu ambenya free.
Okay.
Ana mpanyifo no bi nso no from certain age no no betua bibi kakra.
Okay.
I think it's in a very good direction.
Okay.
Until bo aban abaso.
Okay.
It's
long overdue.
Yeah, it's long overdue.
It's long overdue.
Kakra. Kakra. Ba aban na bi. Why bi?
But adena say kidney yenya problem ho.
Yebedu ho. Enu no ebe bibi ti say bia courses.
Yeah.
And yebedu courses.
Okay. Yeah, and what is kidney failure no?
Yes, ye ka say kidney failure. Definitions ni there obi abetumi dosu kakra obetumi idea obi abetumi define no ene ayibia wo hwe nchencheremu a media maya concerning kidney na kasana and the functions of kidney na anybody can define kidney failure.
Okay.
Na main important kakra no kidney failure no is a condition in which the kidney loses its ability to remove waste. Okay? And balance fluid.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a time kidney no na juma say ye dey ntimi Okay. And yes. One kidney failure. Okay.
Ejuma ya Yakupon dia kidney say ye no untumi nya say we fail.
Yeah, okay, Matthias.
We fail. Now you wo types of kidney you can say you can say your types. Kidney failure no your types.
Okay.
You wo the friend of chronic renal failure. You make a renal failure and kidney failure.
Yeah. But my say renal attribute. Yeah.
It's the same as kidney.
Okay.
Yes. And your chronic renal failure. And you know, long standing. Maybe a shasien ache. Maybe a yarebi aka kidney no. And a didimu kakra. Ama se se ani de abe fail kidney. Abe ma kidney no. Nejuma to. And a war acute renal failure. Acute you need the infant say
Okay.
A C
tempera. And tempera na.
Tempera.
enu chizu to me
enu so the same kid enu so
wow
the same bat no enu no anya say yare bi na wo yare ba esi prekupe
no eden na deba
no so ye be du ho be ti ase pa
okay doctor chichemu ye na ye yem kra hye
enu so no wo hon ma say wo a wonya yi bia pe na esi prekupe
okay next season
na season aja adwuma ye na esi want say the kidney is no more functioning. And no mostly no you are the friend lupus yeah lupus erythematosus and I say autoimmune disorder.
Okay,
autoimmune disorder no and I say the cells in the kidney no they are fighting against themselves. Omu yeku ati omo ho omo yeku ati omo ho entenu no ebetimi a shati kidney down anytime
enu na any cause
and so any cause I say inherited.
Oh really?
Yes.
Ebi o hard, there's nothing you can do about it.
Nothing you can do about it.
Hey,
it's like inherited. And enu so enu no sa no enu na ma kidney no jai adwuma ye prekope
jai wasizi sani aka sizi no
sizi wan say otumi spark car no pa upie ya na car no agina ba fort ben na ba car no de ohun adekwa eye car no na bi so ho no mu no car no otumi say o car we dem car no battery problem
yeah no aso
dem ne ta no nya adwuma papa ba wo pese wo force no ye ne kakra enu so ba ko ja wo kwam.
Okay. And they own the source. Baby, own source.
Own source no. Enti enu no na ye chronic na meka no. Enu na ye chronic say was back you car ofie. Onim say car we ne battery ne nye. Me brake nye, me clutch nye. Na so so me manage ne kakra. Yare no car ne yare no. Enti wudu kwa wan hwe ba ko ja osikwan. Enti enu ni chronic no.
Okay.
Ana acute no. Enu de onim de yi. Sorry ya pe. No reason.
Na
eko kidney cut off.
Hey.
And also and you sudden. Nti acute ni sudden. And a chronic no a long BID mu ache ni sai man.
Okay.
Yeah. And no.
Hey.
Yeah.
Who?
The causes.
Pacho, we program we send in here me no. Yeah, kasi ya kan nyina bo mu amuntie bi. Person me and part 1 part 2. To doc ya de besi ha. Nada sene ya back causes and prevention of kidney. So make a date next time. Next week. I Xposed GH. Subscribe and share for somebody. Bye bye.